got something interesting. Here we go. Here we go. So I got this thing sent to me. Bang & Olufsen speaker. So let's open it up. There we go. So let's see what we got here. Ah, not bad. This is it. A portable battery-powered Bluetooth speaker from Bang & Olufsen. So they sent me this gift. Nice. So why did they send me this gift? Because Uncle Steph spends way too much money on Bang & Olufsen speakers. So I bought these Bang & Olufsen 18s. Bang & Olufsen Theater. That's the other 18. This is the 19 here. They sound amazing. So if you are into high-def audio and design, recommend the brand. Very cool. Digital sounds at least as good as vinyl these days. And I believe that this design here was inspired by the Eameses. Charles and Ray Eames. So very famous furniture. Here's one of their pieces. Charles, this is the molded plywood chair, very famous piece. The stools. The table is again famous piece. So pretty cool. This is Herman Miller, Roche Bobois. I'm showing you this because people ask. I think that this piece here by Roche Bobois, French, they are inspired by the Eameses as well. You look at the base, walnut base. Look at the design characteristics. Very similar, right? And if you look at this, very similar. And there you go. If you spend a lot of money, they send you free stuff. But it's part of the game. Anyway, that's it. If you're into high-end sound, luxury sound, you want products that will hold their value and if not gain their value over time, I highly recommend the Herman Miller Eames collection and Bang & Olufsen. Cheers.